Today I'm going to be showing you how to make teriyaki tempeh with rice. You'll need some simple ingredients. You'll need tempeh, 1 cup of rice, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, teriyaki sauce of your choice. I'm using 2, one is soye, one is a Korean barbecue, rice vinegar, and oil. You'll want to take 1 cup of rice and put it into a mesh strainer to rinse underwater until the water runs clear. Once you've done that, you'll want to add it to a pan. Once you add it to the pan, you'll add 1.5 cups of cool water, turning the heat on here to medium. Then I'll also add some salt and some rice vinegar for seasoning. And then you'll want to cover it so it can steam. From here, I chop my tempeh. I take the tempeh block and cut it in half. I then cut into 4 strips, turn around, and then cube it. I do the same with the other half of the tempeh block. Here I'm mincing garlic, essentially the same thing, just cutting it into strips one way, turning it around, and then dicing it from there. Here I'm setting my pan onto medium heat. If you were wise, you would do it while you were cutting your ingredients. Once the pan is the appropriate temperature, I add the garlic. You're looking for a light brown color on the garlic. You don't really want to leave it there for too long, and you want to make sure that you keep stirring it while it's in the oil so it doesn't burn. Once my garlic is done, I will add the tempeh into the pan. Here I'm looking for a nice light brown color. You can fry the tempeh kind of to your liking. If you let it go a little longer and achieve a darker color, it'll be a little bit more crunchier, but it's really just a preference. In a moment I'll be adding the low sodium soye teriyaki sauce, and then I'll also add the last little bit of my Korean barbecue that I had. I like to mix sauces together. The pan was a little hot, so I reduced the heat here, but we do want the sauce to reach a simmer so that it can reduce down and create a glaze over the tempeh. Here I'll be adding a carrot. I realized I didn't really have any vegetables in this dish, so I went and found some carrots in my fridge, chopped one up quickly, and then I added it to my sauce. Here we're just checking out our rice. It looks like it was ready to go, so we go ahead and fluff it with a fork. And then cover it until we're ready. I check back on my tempeh. It looks like it's ready to go. The carrots have cooked down and are not so hard. So how I serve it is I just take a bowl and then I'll put the rice into the bottom of the bowl. And then from there, I just put my tempeh on top. And there you have it. I like to eat my tempeh with chopsticks, but you can also use a fork. And yeah, if you like this video, please let me know, and thank you for watching.